let's construct income statement first and then calculate 2018 and 2017 net operating working capital. Once we're done, we could calculate 2018 free cash flow. Okay, sounds good? Now let's start here, income statement. Read the question carefully and then just put the number here. Okay, so our sales for 2018 were cost of goods sold was 11% of sales. So multiplied by 0.11, 11%. Okay, enter. And selling, general and administrative, SG&A, simply were 500,000. This is 500,000. But we must calculate gross profit first, right? Gross profit would be sales minus cost of goods sold. We go so far? Our depreciation and then amortization were 44% of net fixed asset. Okay? So you need to find the net fixed asset on balance sheet. Net fixed asset, you must point out 2018, right? So this will be this one multiplied by 0.44, 44%, right? Enter. So EBIT would be gross profit minus SG&A minus depreciation and amortization. Okay, and then interest expense 234,000, right? So our EBT would be this, right? Earning before interest and tax, earning before tax, right? And our tax 36%. Okay, this one multiplied by 0.36. This will be your tax amount. Now you're subtracting EBIT minus interest expense minus tax amount, right? Or if you simply do this one, would be what? EBT minus tax. You will get same number, right? You will get same number. So we done here. Then now we are going to calculate 2018-2017 net operating working capital, and then we will calculate 2018 free cash flow. All right.